This video is about how to stretch a wig out if it's too small. The very first thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that you unlasso this strap from any of the slots that is actually on the wig. That's the first thing you want to do, because if a wig is too small, you do not need to use these. So then my suggestion is you can cut them out, but before you cut them out, let's first make sure that it's just this problem. So I don't want, because once they're cut out, they're cut out. Take the straps out of the slots, put it on and see how it fits you. See if it fits you a little bit more comfortable. If by chance it's still a little too tight, you want to get some alcohol. You want to place it in a bottle. You want to spray liberally the whole wig. You want to make sure it's nice and saturated. Okay. After you make sure it's nice and saturated, what you do is you ball your fists up like this, 2 fists. Okay. You then place the wig on top of first fist and the second fist. The first fist will go for the front. The second fist go in the back. And you stretch, you pull for about 30 seconds, and you really need to time yourself to make sure you pulling very taut. And it's okay if you hear a few threads breaking. What you're doing is creating more room, and you're breaking up those threads to basically give you a better, more comfortable feel, okay? So now again, I'm gonna go forward, then I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go forward, and you're gonna go back, and you're gonna go forward, and you see, you continuously do this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then you're gonna open up, and you're gonna go side to side. So that's the front of the wig. So one fist is on the right, one is on the left. You're gonna complete this for about 5 minutes. And if it has venting slots, or if it, where the wig has slots in the back, use that. And you're gonna push forward and push back. And again, you will hear threads snapping. That is okay. You wanna make sure that you're really pulling, really forceful. Okay, once you pull, then you hold. If you hear snaps of the thread, hold it right there for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then go side to side. Once you finish with your fist, then you want to hold it. You want to grip the right side, and the left side, you want to pull very, very taut apart. You're going to hear some threads. Let me see if I can show you what it sounds like. I don't know if you can hear that, but I definitely hear thread snapping. Now, you're not trying to rip the wig apart. You just want to stretch the wig, okay? And you want to spray it again. You're going to spray it about 3 times, okay? And you're going to pull again. All of this is going to help you, if you do have a larger head, to help that smaller or medium size go from a small, medium to a medium large. If by chance you do all of this and it still is uncomfortable, you, my love, are someone who needs to order wigs specifically for your dimension head, which is large, extra large, okay? Those are custom made wigs. We do it here at La Hose. If you have a wig maker, that will be my suggestions. Get your measurements, get that sent out to them, and they can make you a wig personally for your specific fit. I hope this video helps, and hey, we're always here if you need more guidance or instruction. Enjoy your day, and thank you for your support.